nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today again something vegetarian and very Mediterranean. From where I come from in Puglia, in South Italy, this is very summertime. You can have a nice dinner with this. It's super easy to do. I already cut, but we need the queen of this dish is the courgette, the zucchini. This is one already. It is 2 zucchini I'm gonna make, and we need some garlic and mint, fresh mint, salt, pepper, and olive oil. I already put some vegetable oil on the gas, and I want to show you the how you're gonna cut the courgette. I cut by hand, but you can use the, I don't know how do you call the slicer, but it's like this. We're gonna fry it quickly, and that's it. And later I'm gonna show you how beautiful and nice and fresh is this. You can eat just with bread or like on the side with something, I don't know. It's up to you this. But anyway, I want to cut this courgette and I'm gonna show you when we start frying this, okay? Okay guys, my 2 courgette they already cut. Now I start put inside. You know, I have to we put in like this. And always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel if you can, and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Now I put this inside. It's flash fried, okay? I show you. I'm gonna be around 2-3 minutes like that, okay? When they're ready, I'm gonna show you. Okay guys, when you have something like this, they're ready, okay? Make in one plate, put some kitchen roll. That's good, please. It's couple minutes, you know, it's not more than that. And now we are gonna fry all zucchini or courgette, and I'm gonna show you when all is finished, okay? Okay guys, my courgette they done. I left them to cool down a little bit, and now is the time to season it. And garlic already chopped. Garlic how much you like. Salt how much you like. I put some salt, some black pepper, garlic. And the key of this plate, this Mediterranean zucchini, is the mint. And we're gonna add, before I forgot, we're gonna add some, for that sour, we're gonna add the vinegar. White vinegar, apple vinegar, any vinegar you like. But the wine one is good. The chopped mint, I love it mint. Mint is, I can put everywhere, okay? Not too small, okay? Oh, the smell. Look now how change this plate. Look at that. Look at that. And now we add some vinegar. Gonna be sour, like how much you like, eh? This is the oil. We're gonna add some olive oil, but not too much because they absorb a lot of oil when we fry it, okay? A little touch of olive oil. We're gonna mix it like this, very gentle. Look at that. Look how beautiful they are. Guys, you don't believe, but the smell here is wow, already amazing. We are not master chef, but we cook for the family. They eat everything. It means we cook not too bad. Another little bit of mint, and we mix everything. And later, when you try, if you need a little bit more vinegar, if you like a little bit more sour, you can do. But anyway, guys, my sour Mediterranean courgette is like this. Now, you know, we're gonna try. I have a slice of bread. I prepared this before. I'm gonna try like, oh yeah. Al bacio. I think they need a little bit more salt, but they perfect. Guys, my Mediterranean sour courgette is this. Amazing, easy, cheap, delicious. If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao!